everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys the ad preview for August 2nd to I think August 8th. I don't have the thing where it tells me that, but yeah, it's actually a pretty good week. There's some good deals on back to school stuff. There's a lot of points deals, a lot of digital coupon stuff, so I'm here to share with you guys the breakdown. I think this week is going to be a great week, considering the week that's going on right now is kind of slow, so let's just dig in. So as you guys see right here, they have backpacks for $5. They have school supplies, they have pencils, pens, scissors, looks like Papermate and other brands, Wexford, Sharpies for 49 cents. So that's actually a pretty good deal. They also have glue and glue sticks for 49 cents. Awesome deal. General Mills cereal is $1.99. Now it looks like there is a digital coupon for $1 off at 2. You guys would pay $2.98, get them for $1.49 a piece. There most likely will be a, well, hopefully there's a saving star deal, so usually they come out to be just 99 cents a piece. And then you guys see the Hershey's candy. Now I have a digital coupon. I didn't check it, but I know I did clip a digital coupon for that, so I definitely want to see what we can get for that, because I'll take some chocolate. Then on the bottom left corner you see Olay and Old Spice. Now we do have an Old Spice coupon for buy one body wash, you get the spray for free. I don't know if the deodorant or body spray will be included in this deal. If it is, then it's a different scenario, but right now I don't think it is. So if you guys buy, you can mix for the Olay, you want to buy 2 of them for, you want to use 2 $1 off coupons, and then for the Old Spice there is a $1 off a 2 coupon from the P&G. You would pay $10, or you would pay $21, but then you guys will get $10 in points when you buy 4. This is a deal where you guys can pay with points. So it comes out to be just $11 or $2.75 a piece if you guys need to do that deal. Hopefully there's some really good digitals that pop up, so it'd be a better scenario. We got Pantene, $3.99. Now we do have a 5 off a 3 digital coupon, or you guys can use the coupons that we got in the P&G. You would pay $6.97, but then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 3 of them. Comes out to be $3.97 or just $1.32. Now they do have some Scott's paper towels and toilet paper. Now somebody did mention that there is some digital coupons. I'm gonna definitely try to check that out on Sunday, but they might expire this week. It's hard to say. Then we have Arm & Hammer on sale for $2.99. It looks like there's gonna be a $1 off coupon, making them $1.99. So if you guys need to get that, Tide $4.99, making them $2.99 with a $2 off digital coupon. So yes, now here we got some Oreos and Ritz. Looks like we are getting a 75-cent off digital coupon. There might be some coupons in the ads, but they're $2.99 a piece. You use that 75-cent off a 2. You would pay $5.23 and get each one for $2.61, which is actually a pretty decent deal. Hopefully there is a deal that pops out on checkout 51 to make it an even better deal, so keep our fingers crossed. They do have 7-Up Canada Dry Dr. Pepper, 3 for $9.99, making them $3.33. It's an okay deal. I've seen a whole lot cheaper. Here we got the Crest toothpaste. Now there's 2 different scenarios for that. They're on sale for $3.99. Now it looks like we're getting a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. So you guys would end up paying $4.98, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward for buying 2. Comes out to be 98 cents or just 49 cents a piece. Now if you guys have the $2 coupons from the P&G, you want to use both of those. You would pay $3.98. You get a $4 register reward, making those absolutely free. So, sorry, my chair is just squeaky all of a sudden. So, yes, a lot of food deals. It's up to you guys. They do have these 3 for $8. I've seen them 4 for $10 before, which is usually a better deal, but right now they're $2.67 if you guys needed to get some free stuff like Hot Pockets and corn dogs. Sorry, I'm just laughing at myself. Then we got some more drinks and candy and all that stuff. Nothing really else popping out. They got gum 3 for $3. So yeah. Now here they got more back to school items. They have folders and highlighters, 5 for $1. Looks like a Fiskars scissors, Fiskars pencil sharpener, 99 cents. They got some pens. They got some Papermate single pack. I don't know if those are 3 for $4. I'm not sure exactly what they are. 5-star notebooks and stuff are buy one get one free. Now there is a deal on Ibotta that you guys might be able to use, so hopefully we can get some good deals with that. Here we got Febreze, $2.99, pictures, cat food, all that stuff. Dawn Dish Soap, the little bottles are 99 cents. There's going to be a 25-cent digital coupon, making them 74 cents. Suavitel, 50 cents, making all that stuff $1.49. Now they do have the nice garbage bags for $5.99, which I do think is a pretty good deal. I actually like their bags. They're not like hardcore good bags, but they do the job, so that's what I like. Persil is $4.99. It looks like there's going to be a $2 off coupon, making them $2.99. Then right here where you see it says laundry care. Now I'm not sure if there's any coupons out there. You guys might have gotten some last week with the Purex maybe. I don't know. I don't get those inserts, so I'm not sure. But let's say for a majority of the people who don't get the coupons, they're going to be $2.99. Then you guys get 4,000 points when you buy 4. So you guys would basically pay $5.98. You get 4,000 points back, so it comes out to be $1.98 or 99 cents. That is going to be a great deal, and be prepared. People are probably going to get that stuff off the shelf. So, yeah. A lot of vitamins and stuff. Nothing really popping out for vitamins. I feel like this stuff's always on sale, and it's always the same sales. Here you get spend $25, you get a $5 reward. So nothing's really popping out with this. Again, medicines, nothing's popping out. We're just going to keep on going. Now here they got Huggies and pull-ups. Now 2 for $18. You get $5 register reward when you spend $25 or more. So you can mix and match. You guys can get 4 packages of Huggies diapers. They come out to be $36. You guys want to use 2 3 off of 2 coupons that we got from her a couple weeks ago. You would pay $30, but you get the $5 register reward, and you guys can submit your receipt for $1 times 4 on Ibotta, making it $21 or $5.25. Okay, for Huggies, or for the pull-ups, again $36, but you want to use 4 $2 off coupons. You guys would pay $28. Then you get the $5 register reward and the $4 that you guys can submit with Ibotta, making them $19 or $4.75 a piece. So that's up to you guys if you need to stock up on diapers. It's a lot better deal than if you went and bought it at the store, but hey, everybody's different and wants to pay different prices. Now here they got the Garnier micellar. I always say this wrong. Why do I say it wrong? They're buy one get one 50% off, and then there's going to be a $2 off Walgreens coupon, and then there's going to be a $2 off coupon. So basically, from what the website showed, is they're going to be $6.79 at buy one get one 50% off. You guys would end up paying $4.18 for both of those, because the Walgreens coupon will take off $2 for each one, and then you guys might have a paper coupon, which you can use. I don't get those, so it'd be even cheaper out of pocket, but hey, I'll still take it for $4.18. We got the L'Oreal Elvive 2 for $8. It looks like there's a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then there's a 3 off of 2 coupon that we're getting in our inserts, making them $3 or $1.50 a piece. Then they got the Garnier Fructis 2 for $7. We're getting a 4 off of 2 coupon, making them $3 or $1.50 a piece. Shea Moisture is buy one get one 50% off. There's going to be a 5 off of 2 coupon. I don't know the scenario for that, but in case you guys need that. Suave is going to be 2 for $5, and then it looks like there's going to be a 3 off of 2 coupon, making those $2, so $1 a piece. Awesome, awesome deal. Then we got the Tresemme 2 for $10. Now it says there's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, but according to our inserts, we're getting 5 off of 2. So you guys want to use 2 of those coupons. You would pay $10 for 4 of them. You would get that $4 register reward for buying 4 of them. Comes out to be $6 or $1.50 a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Like I said, there is a lot of deals. Here they got Olay, buy one get one 50% off. There's a 2 off of 2, and then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 4. That might also be included with the other Olay deal. Fingers crossed, I hope it is. We got the Colgate toothpaste for $2.99. It looks like we're getting 50% off coupons. So you guys want to use 2 50% off coupons. You would pay $4.98. You get a $4 register reward, making it 98 cents or just 49 cents a piece. So you can do that if you need to. And then they have the soft soap body wash and the Irish, well, it just says soft soap, it doesn't say Irish Springs. But we're getting 75% off coupons. So $4.99, take away the two 75% off coupons, you would pay $8.48. But then you get that $5 register reward, making it $3.48 or $1.74. Now I've noticed over the last several months we haven't been hardly getting any deals on that body wash, which is totally fine. I rather, you know, I prefer getting more other brands, but I still do not have a problem with soft soap. I use soft soap, but I just feel like there's not as much great deals with that stuff lately. So, okay. Then we have the regular soft soap, hand soap. Now, some of them are $2.99 and some of them are $1.99. So the $1.99 is buy one, get one 50% off. Then there is a 50% off coupon that you guys will get. So you would pay $5.47, but then you get the $4 register reward, making it $1.47 or just 36 cents a piece. Now be prepared, a lot of soap might have limits. It's hard to say, every region is different. And then they have the bigger bottles for $2.99. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. You'd use that one 50% off digital coupon. You would pay $8.47. You get 4,000 points. Comes out to be $4.47 or just $1.11 a piece. If you guys need to stock up on soap, go for it. Now they do have the secret clinical, buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 4. So that is it. So that is it. Is in the ad. I think it's a great week for couponing. A lot of register rewards that you guys can buy stuff to put into points. So let's get a lot of rolling. Let's gain some points. I'm hoping something surprises us and we can get even more points. But again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.